How to check your login activity on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you check your login activity on Snapchat. To begin with, you first need to open the Snapchat application and log into your account. So then once logged in, the interface will look something like this. Next, click on the Bitmoji icon from the top left corner of your screen. As you go to the Bitmoji icon, click on the arrow icon from the top right once again. So then when you go to the Bitmoji section, there you have these settings. Underneath, click on two-factor authentication. You'll have to make sure that the two-factor authentication is already enabled. And next, you just need to click on forget devices. When you click on the forget devices, there you could find the devices that your account is currently logged in. And that is how you could check your login activity on Snapchat. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.